Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tattoo Wala Talks. This is your host and dost Rahul Venkat from Inkwell Tattoo Studio, Mumbai. Today's video is gonna be about 3 W's: what, why and when I got these tattoos on my body. Also, I will be sharing you which tattoos you have to be getting done according to your skin complexion and which tattoos to avoid when you are in a darker complexion. Let's get started. So this is the first tattoo in my body I got done. So it's a tribal design which is about 11 years old. You can see this design. So 11 years back, tattooing was not in that much of trend, and what all designs people used to choose, they used to always go for tribal ones. So this is my first tattoo. The second tattoo is I extended this tattoo with a Maori design. You can see. So this whole Maori design surrounding the tribal design is being done on a freehand basis by mentor. So why I chose Maori is because it's the same extended family of a tribal design. So tribal design extends to the same family of design, that is the Maori design. So this is my arm tattoo. I hope you guys can look at it clearly, and it's a very old tattoo which is about 11 years. Also you can see that my tattoo hasn't turned blue. Yeah, but the color has adapted with my skin complexion. It's black ink only which has adapted to my skin complexion. So this is my second tattoo. It's a scorpion, and as you can see, it's a badly done tattoo. The lines are smudged, the colors are also, not settled in the skin properly. The colors are not used appropriate as per the skin tone. So this is a sin in my skin. So now let me show you my third tattoo. This is my third tattoo, and this is a Shiva tattoo. I know all people who want tattoos would at least want to get one Shiva tattoo done on their body. So same was the case with me. So as you can see, this tattoo is colored now, but it was previously black and grey, and when it was black and grey it was visible and it was nice. So this tattoo was done like 9 years ago, and one fine day when I purchased new set of inks, I went up to my friend and I told him to fill this with blue ink. As you can see, the blue ink is not shown up properly in my skin because of my undertone. So as I said in my previous video, you have to choose your colors accordingly as per your undertone of the skin. If you are on the fairer complexion, you can go for blues, or else if you are a dark or a VT tone, stick to black and greys. So before I move on to my legs, I would like to show my latest and my last tattoo that I got done on my body. So it's a dot work tattoo, and this tattoo is done by a Filipino tattoo artist. And after getting this tattoo done in the year 2015 is when I picked up dot work as a forte and as a style that I want to use in my tattoos. So as you can see, the negative spacing is very clearly seen in the tattoo, and the blacks is also, the gradients and all is done very well. So having a VT undertone, yet this whole tattoo is very prominently seen and the design is very clear. This is because the artist has left the negative space, also worked well with the packing of the black color on the skin. So that's why I highly recommend open tattoos on dark skin, so that your tattoos will be more seen and it will be more prominent. So now let's move on to the tattoos done on my legs. This is a very special tattoo done on my leg. So this tattoo means 7 down and 8 up. It indicates arrow saying 7 down, 8 up, which means 7 times you fall down in your life, the 8th time you learn to get up and walk properly. So this is done by a very close friend of mine, and this was her first attempt for doing the tattoo, and this is what she gave me, and I really love this tattoo. This is my first tattoo I did on my skin. So this tattoo I did like 10 years ago when I just started doing tattoos. I did this to learn the needle and skin chemistry. As you can see, this is a devil joker holding a tattoo machine. I hope it's clear to you guys, and the ink and the darkness is still intact, and I really love this tattoo. After that, this is also a self-done tattoo. As you can see, it's a dragon and the face is pointing towards me, and a part of the body is over here too. So this is also a self-done tattoo to understand line strokes, and always being a tattoo artist, you guys would know टैटू आर्टिस्ट के ऊपर जो टैटूज बनाया हुआ है हमेशा इनकम्प्लीट रहता है, बिकॉज हमें ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिलता है अपने ऊपर टैटू बनवा के लेने का, बिकॉज वी आर सो बिजी इन टेकिंग अपॉइंटमेंट्स एंड डूइंग टैटूज फॉर अदर्स दैट हमेशा अपने बॉडी का जो टैटूज है वो रह जाता है. सो दिस इज द सेकेंड टैटू विच आई डिड बाय माई सेल्फ, एंड द थर्ड टैटू विच आई डिड बाय माई सेल्फ इज दिस टैटू. So this is a sand clock, a self-done tattoo. As you can see, it's a sand clock with 2 hands holding it. One is the God's hand and one is the devil's hand. So it's an incomplete tattoo to be true, and there's going to be an angel that's going to be pointing towards this side, which indicates that I'm towards the God side and I'm not a dark-sided person. So these are 3 tattoos done by myself on my skin. As you can see this tattoo, so you can see 3 joker faces. It's a very old tattoo. So as mentioned in my previous video, having a dark undertone, I chose for lighter colors on my skin, which was wrong. So I didn't know this previously. This happened when I bought my new tattoo kit, and I went to my friend tattoo artist and asked him to experiment those inks on my skin. So this is the output of colors on a dark skin. So I hope you guys understand from this and don't go for such decisions, because it's not going to show up in your skin as you want. So friends, last but not the least, this tattoo is done by one of my students. So this tattoo is my own design. I customized this tattoo. So as you can see, this whole tattoo depicts my past life. So the dark part of my side is gone, and how I came into enlightenment. So as you can see, the birds over here, none of the birds are sitting on the branch or towards the tree. It's all flying away from the tree, and if you see the main stems of the tree, you will see the skulls. So that shows what kind of a life I was having and what kind of a life I want to have in my future. So this is a small example of my life story. I got a tattoo done on my calf area. So I hope you guys enjoyed my body tour of my tattoos, and so I hope you guys enjoyed my body tour of my tattoos, and you got to learn what tattoos you shouldn't be doing, or what tattoos would look good on you. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also press the subscribe button down there and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and share my videos with your friends and family and show me some love. Till then, this is Rahul Venkat signing off.